In this video, I will show you how to manage and organize your favorite creatives. You can add any creatives to your favorite list by clicking on the heart icon. As soon as you click, the icon color will change from gray to red, indicating that the creative has been added to your favorite list. If you click on the heart icon one more time, the creative will get deselected and removed from the favorite list. I am going to randomly add several creatives to the favorite list now. After you have added creatives to your favorite list, you can access them by clicking on your user avatar and selecting Manage Favorites. This will open Favorites page in a new browser tab which shows all the favorites you just added. This page allows you to further organize your favorites by grouping them. The first step is to create a new group by clicking on Add a Favorite Group and naming it. As soon as you create a new group, you will see it in the left-hand sidebar. Now, you can drag and drop creatives from the default group to the newly created group as shown on your screen. You can also make any group a default group by clicking on the radio button next to it. As a result, all the new favorites will automatically go to this newly assigned default group. You can also delete a group by clicking on the trash icon. Please be warned that when you delete a group, all the favorites in that group will be removed forever. This action is not reversible. Also, please note that My Favorites group is the group created by the system and cannot be removed or deleted. This completes our short tutorial video on assignment and management of favorite creatives. See you again in the next video. Cheers!